Hi everyone! For those of you who don't know me, my name is Andrea Martino and I am the behavior analyst for the classrooms in the autism program. It has been so nice to see all the kids back in the building. They have all grown up so much since I last saw them in March. We also have a few new faces and it has been wonderful getting to know our new students. I know things have been hard and there have been new challenges to face between home instruction and the transition back to school and teaching the students to wear masks and understand the new rules and expectations. But parents, students, and school staff have been working really hard and it shows. All of the students are doing really great. My role in the autism program is to work closely with the classroom teachers and staff, related service providers, and our consultant at the New England Center for Children to develop strategies to increase student success. Together, we troubleshoot academic curriculum and goals and develop strategies to address challenging behavior in the classroom. I also work closely with Tony Perez, our program social worker. Together, we work on carrying over successful strategies used at school into the home setting and help families access community resources. Working in the autism program has been wonderful. Getting to know the students and seeing the progress they have made is something I'm very passionate about. I'm really looking forward to another great school year and to see the students grow and succeed.